Okay, it's time to get up and let's get this fall cleaning going. You know, I enjoy fall cleaning. Leave me a emoji of some kind of fall symbol, leaves, something that show that you enjoy fall and fall cleaning. I do fall cleaning, summer cleaning, winter cleaning, and spring cleaning. So that means my house is really deep clean 4 times a year. I love it, you all. So right now I'm getting ready to get this living room refreshed, redone. I took off the seat covers. I'm throwing them in a washer. I saw some spider webs up in my ceiling. Y'all stop right now. Take a look in your ceilings in the corner. Seeing the spider webs? That means it's a long overdue. So I got up to get that done. I'm going to be cleaning the ceiling fans, putting up pictures, painting walls, and I'm doing it room by room. So let's go ahead on and get started. And I hope you enjoy the video. It's the next day, and it's a beautiful fall day. Beautiful. The wind is blowing. The sun is out. It's not cold. It's just, and it's not warm, hot. It's just right. A beautiful day. So I went on ahead and started pulling out the couch. And, I found a fork, some dirty socks, a whole lot of trash. So everything went in the garbage, including a fork, besides the dirty socks. I'm going to wash those. But yes, I had to go ahead on and really deep clean. I'm not going to deep clean the rug today. That will be done hopefully tomorrow because I'm missing a piece was broke off of my shampooer. So I'm hoping to get the rug deep clean on tomorrow. But today I am going to tackle that wall that I've been asking my procrastinating son to do for me for over a year. Well over a year. So, he lives in Orlando, but when he come and visit, I have the paint there waiting for him. But he never did it. So, hey, now is the time. So, man, Ace going to go ahead on and get and start tackling that paint. That wall over there is from the paint that we had left over from the front office that gave us the paint. And, hey, we just going to get it done today. Get it out the way so I can stop looking at a blah, blah wall. And it turned out so nice. Ace did a great job in doing it, and I really appreciate him. So we're getting it all together. What are some of your activities around the house that you've been putting on the back burner or waiting for someone else to do it? They don't do it. It's time for us to get up and do it ourselves. Enjoy. Look who showed up. Look who showed up just in time to fix my screws in the wall so I can hang my picture up that's been on my wall crooked since the day I even did my whole apartment video. So I finally took it down some weeks ago because I got tired of looking crooked. And I knew that wall needed to be done. So I wanted to wait for it to be painted to get the picture put up better and straight. And that picture I got from the from a Goodwill, about 2 years ago. I don't even remember. I'm telling you, money changer, money saver. And they both did a great job. I'm rehanging Ace picture that he painted in art school in I believe it was the 8th grade. He was in art. He's in the 9th now. So I believe it was last year. It could have been in the 7th, but I'm pretty sure in the 8th. And it was hung up there before. However, the person, my brother-in-law that hung it up there, he did not put any anchors in there, and my dad walked by and brushed by it, and it started swaying real bad. So I took it down, and it's been down for months. I was waiting for him to come and put anchors in, but hey, I want to get it done today. So I had the procrastinator put anchors in it, not ankles, anchors in it. And yeah, it looks good. Hey, high five, another high five. Ace did an awesome job. I'm getting started to make some, first time making my own detergent, a mixture of it, so it can last for months. I think that it's supposed to last for about, they say 5 to 8 months, but it really depends on how many people in your house. So I'm hoping that mine's at least lasts 5 months, 4 to 5 months, because, it costs money going back and forth to the store and purchase the liquid or the 1 box of powder. And I just want to try this out and see how long it lasts. And I know how much I paid for it, all of it, and to figure out, did I do well? Did it, it stopped me from spending more money on it or not? So we should see, and that's only going to determine how long that it lasts.
yeah. One of us is gonna get hurt. You got your madness, and I'm good at bad habits. Oh, one of us is gonna get hurt. I'm not one to trust, ask anyone, and you will see it. I live for the thrill. Oh, I'm dead serious, it's you or me, you best believe it. This is not a drill. This is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt. I would love to see you cry. I would love to shut you out. Baby, I'm the gift that's never given. Whoa, I don't know what else to say, so make sure you stay away. Baby, this is war, but no one's winning. Whoa, I'm dead serious, it's you or me, you best believe it. This is not a drill. This is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt. So if you want your head and heart unbroken, you better leave now, 'cause this is fatal attraction. These are times of crimes of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. You've got the madness in you. I've got the badness in me. You know what you gotta do. If you got any sanity, this is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt. So if you want your head and heart unbroken, you better leave now, 'cause this is fatal attraction. These are times of crimes of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Fatal attraction. Lovers in action, yeah. One of us is gonna get hurt. You got your madness, and I'm good at bad habits. Oh, one of us is gonna get hurt. I'm not one to trust, ask anyone, and you will see it. I live for the thrill. Oh.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you took something away from it, and that's to get up and do some fall cleaning, decluttering, and getting it all together. All right, stay tuned for the next video. We're going to finish up the living room, but we're doing it room by room. All right, till the next time.